Welcome dear children to e-learning classes. Today we shall start English lesson number 12, Truth is God. Activity 1. Identify the place in this picture and write its name. So this is the picture of the Sabarmati Ashram. Now you have to complete the detail based on this picture. Where is this memorial? It is in Ahmedabad. Second, which leader is associated with it? Mahatma Gandhi. Place of birth, that is Porbandar. Gandhiji was born in Porbandar. The other name given to him is Bapu and father of the nation. Gandhiji always stood for truth. He used to speak the truth, and even if he gets the punishment, he used to say what is the truth. Once he said, God is even though the whole world denies him, truth stands. Even if there is no public support, it is self-sustained. We don't want any evidence to prove that we are right, because at the end, truth is the winner. Therefore, it is always said, Satya mein jayante, means truth always is the winner. Activity 2. Name the leaders associated with the following. Experiment with truth, that is Mahatma Gandhi. Swaraj is my birthright, that is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Next, discovery of India, that is Jawaharlal Nehru. Next, give me blood and I will give you freedom, that is said by Subhash Chandra Bose. And last one, I will not let the British rule my state, said by Rani Lakshmi Bai. Now we move on to activity 3, Truth is God. Bal Gangadhar Tilak was one of the leaders who fought for India's freedom during the British rule. As a student, Bal was known to his teacher as one of the brilliant, disciplined and well-behaved boy in the school. But one day, one of the teachers had a strange experience. During the recess, some student had eaten groundnuts in the class and thrown the shells on the floor near the teacher's table. None of the boys who were coming in took serious note of it. The school bell rang and all the boys were back at their seat. As the teacher stepped in, he saw the husk scattered near his table and he flew into a rage. Means the teacher got angry and he said, "Who has done this mischief?" he shouted. There was no reply from the students. "I ask again," shouted the teacher, still louder. "Whose mischief is this? If the guilty boy does not stand up, those who know him should tell me who he is." The boys looked at one another, most of them really wondering who the culprit could be. No one stood up. No one spoke a word either. The angry teacher then picked up the cane from the table and said, "Since none of you is helping me to catch the guilty boy, I am going to cane every one of you." Now cane is a stick. So the teacher wanted to beat everyone because no one was giving the answer. "I am going to cane every one of you." While the teacher was nearing the first row of boys, Bal stood up and boldly said, "Sir, many of us really do not know who the guilty boy is. There are many others who have not even seen the rusk on the floor. During the recess, all of us had gone out of the classroom. A boy from some other class might have done this mischief. Why then should the innocent boys be caned?" Bal Gangadhar Tilak, he stood for all the boys and he said that we don't know, but why are you beating the innocent boys? The teacher, who knew Bal's good behavior, tried to restrain his own anger but failed. "Don't be overwise, Bal," he said. "I'm sure some of you know the culprit. If they don't speak out, I have to punish the whole class." Immediately Bal said, though respectfully, "But sir, I feel this is neither fair nor just. What I told you about our innocent is the truth. I don't want to see the innocent one punished. So please allow me to leave the class." Before the teacher could say a word, Bal picked up his books and walked out of the classroom. All the boys admired Bal's courage and his love for justice and truth. Even the teacher could not help praising Bal. He looked at the class and said, "Bal is not ordinary boy. If every student is as truthful and disciplined as he is, our country will have a great future." It is the love of truth and justice that made Bal a great leader of our nation. He came to be called Lokmanya Tilak. He won the love, admiration and respect of the people of India, so he was known as Lokmanya Tilak. Thank you.